Excuse me. Oh, my back. Hey y'all, this is BW2 and welcome back to my channel. I got a new wig, of course, from Jessieswig. It is a 14-inch Babiana. And she's giving body. It's actually wet and wavy, so I'll let y'all see how she curls up because it's really pretty. I bleached the knots, washed her, straightened her, plucked her, all that good stuff. Okay, so I went ahead and wiped my forehead with some rubbing alcohol so I can go in with the Ebon. Oh, I also did my little simple baby hairs. Let's see. I wonder, should I apply makeup to the wig cap? Because it is a little off. Oh.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Ooh. Skimmers. Yeah. Girl, she may be glueless. Well, that would be glueless with the gel, right?
Don't be shocked. You're shocked?
Baby. Oh. I have to burn the house down. Maybe I should slide the wig cap back some. It's giving. Fix my part a little bit.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
Oh my God!
I like this.
Ooh. Popsicle stick. Ooh. Why that feel good?
It's cool and refreshing.
The blow dry. BRB.
Bruh.
She's an icon. She's a legend.
Cut the lace. Fix my part. And then I will show y'all the wet and wavy. Because she does curl. Maybe this is a 2-in-1. So get you one.
Hashtag speaking from the heart.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. Taking it away. I'm chasing these feels feeling every day. All I wanna hear is when the music's on replay. Sitting right next to you. I'm trying to show how I feel about you.
Ooh, she clean. Hey. Fix my part. I only have this temporary black hair color from like Walmart from like Halloween. Let's see. Okay. Change my top. Took a few pictures. Now it's time for the wet and wavy. The wet and wavy. The wet and wavy. Split it down the middle. And these curls are lasting so long. I flat ironed it with this moisturizing oil cocktail from Keracare. It's giving silk press. Silk press with a little bump. Remember the bump. When your mama used to put the bump. Put the bump on your ends.
Child. Anyway, so.
Y'all see the curls coming? Well, at least you know if you get rained on, your curls won't quickly bounce back if you're not wanting curls. It takes a minute. You have to saturate the hair before the curls really come back. That's good. Gross. I told y'all. This is some good hair. This by far my favorite closure wig. It's pretty. Let's compare. Compare the different sides. Body yaddy. Oh, Puerto Rico. I like both. And I did not cut this hair. I did not cut layers. It came like this. She came like this. Straight out the box. Shout out to Jessieswig. Cause they did that. It's cute.
And that's a period.
Let's go.
Your boy got the full body do-rag on.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Fucking night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, even harder. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. We can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I be, Lord help me. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna.
I'm gonna let this dry and I will be back.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, she's completely curly. Jessieswig did it. They did it. Stiff well.
Stiff wear, woo, stiff wear.
But it's 180 density, 5x5, wet and wavy, 14 inches. And I also have a code for you. You thought I was gonna leave without getting you a code? Girl, what? Brittany12 for 12% off the entire website. The entire website. Go get you one. But yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Come back for more. TheBrittanyShanice on all platforms. Follow me, like, comment, subscribe, share with your homegirl, your brother, your mama, your sister, anybody. Let them know. I'm BrittanyShanice. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. And come back for more. Come back for more. Come back for more. That's it. Gotta go. I love you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.